Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Jansburg Acrylic floating shelves. You can get this product on Amazon for about $22. Check out the link in the description. Included in the box is everything you need for assembly, except for the drill. Installing the shelves is very easy and only takes a few minutes. I use the shelves in different rooms of my home. They look really nice and they are very sturdy. So if you are looking for some sturdy and good looking shelves for your home or office, I would recommend the Jansburg Acrylic floating shelves. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.